In this video, I'm going to show you how to use merge queries in Power BI Query Editor. In this example, I'm going to show you left outer join example. Let's get started. So I have opened Power BI desktop. Then I'm going to use edit queries and click on edit queries. In this case, my data is in Excel. So click on new source, drop down menu, click Excel. Then click on AD user login data. Then select the data, and this is a preview of data. So I have first name, last name, user's login name, and when did they last log on to the system. So this is our data sample. Now our objective is, this is a file that I am using, but this date is may not up to date. So I've got the latest file from my Windows administrator, or maybe from your company. So open that new file, the new data where it has the latest logon report. You can create your own sample data like this format for example purpose. So in my new data, then I've got first name, last name, login name, last logon date, and last logon time. So I'm not worried about last logon time. So I just need to get this column data into a new table, or maybe to the existing table. So the primary key between these two fields is the login name. So the login name is always constant and is not changed. So let's get using this merge queries option. So I'm going to use the first option is called merge as a new query. So place the cursor on the new logon report 2019. Merge queries, then merge queries as a new. So it's going to create a new query. So the data is, this is called the left table. Then choose this login name, and where is your right table? The right table is the data is in the this table, and the primary key is the login name. So whatever that, if you find the match in this table, and then it will create the it will get that record. So I'm going to, there are couple of types of there are 6 or 7 types of join kinds. So in this case, I'm going to use the left outer join. So left outer join, select that. Now you can see that there is a 49 of 49 rows has been selected. Then click OK. So it's going to create the new merge query. So here you can say just rename it user logon report latest. Now, because this logon report, if you look at this two together arrows, left and right, and if you click on that arrow button, then you can see this one has got like many columns. Which column that you want to get the data? So I want to get the last logon date. Then click OK. Now, if you look at this table, so the previous data is showing as the last logon date was 19/5/2019. So let's go and check it here. So 19/5/2019 for G Jeffrey, and then if you come here, yes, this is, and the latest logon date is 13/1/2020. So go back to the 2020 and just to see for G Jeffrey, yes, 13/1/2020. Then I don't want this the previous one, then just to go and then remove this. Then probably you can just change it to last logon date. That's it. This is how you use the merge queries as a new option. Then the next option is, and you don't want to create a new query and you want to use it in the same query. So select the table where you wanted that, go to the merge queries, then use option called merge queries. So in this case, the left table is this, and then that is a 2019, and the right table is April 2020, and the column name is login name. Then click OK. Then you get the same two together arrows here. Then click on that, and you want untick all the columns. Then choose what are the data that you want to return from the table. You want to return last logon date. Then OK. So now if you want to keep this one, you can keep it, and if in this case I don't want it, I'm going to remove this, then this will say last logon date. Let's go up to April 2020. So then you got the data into the same table. I would like to thank you for watching this video.